In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable exporting image color profiles by default on GIMP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and then select Preferences. And now on the left side, you want to select Image Import and Export. And then on the right side, where it says Export the image color profile by default, go ahead and check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference for the policy setting, and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.